So, good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning,
Good
ma'am.
morning, ma'am.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Okay. Yes. So today we'll discuss homeworks first. Okay. I have given you homeworks yesterday, isn't it?
Yes,
ma'am.
All were
Yes,
able to
ma'am.
do? Children,
yes,
you were able to do, isn't it?
Yes,
yes.
ma'am.
Okay. So we'll discuss that. I'll ask you the questions. You can answer one by one. Yeah. First question. 3n is equal to 46 plus 2. 3n equals 46 plus, sorry, the question was different.
N minus
A
2 is
minus, yeah. The question is this: 3n minus 2, 3n minus 2 equals 46. 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. Okay, Aaron, can you tell me the answer, what you got for this question?
Uh,
Aaron,
3 into n subtracted
huh?
by 2 equals 46.
What is the answer?
3
You
in
get?
3 into
Answer,
3
answer. What is the
times
value of
3
n you got? N. You
3
didn't do the
times
homework?
n. I didn't do the
No.
Ma'am, can I
3
say?
times
Ma'am,
3
what is
times
the
Ma'am, can
value of
I
n you
say?
got? N is equal to how much?
60.
N is equal to? By no answer, Baja. What
16.
is the answer?
16.
16 is the answer, correct. So 3n minus 2 is equal to 46. 3n is equal to, we'll bring negative 2 to right side.
46 plus 2.
So 46 plus 2.
46 plus 2.
n is equal to 48. n is
48
equal
by
to
3. 48 by 3, ma'am.
48 divided by
48 by
48 by 3.
3.
And is
n
equal
is
to
equal to
60.
60.
60.
60.
Okay. Now next question. 5m. It was 5m 5m plus 7 is equal to 17. Question. So, Gopika, can you please answer? What did you
Ma'am,
get?
2.
2.
2.
M is equal to how much?
2 2
2.
2.
2
ma'am.
2
Because
2.
7 we'll take to this side. 5m is equal to
17
17
minus
minus
7.
7.
70 minus 7.
5m equals
7.
10.
10.
10.
10.
M is equal
10
to
by
10
5.
by
M is
5.
equal
M
to
is equal
10
to
by
10
5.
by
Equal
5.
to 10 divided by
M
M
is
is
5.
equal
equal
to
to
2.
2.
Thanks. Okay. Next question is 2q
2 minus 6.
2q minus 6. 2q minus 6 is equal to 0. Okay, I'll ask. Nakul, can you tell me this answer?
3.
Nakul,
I'm 3.
2q minus 6 is equal to 0. What is the answer you got?
3.
Q is equal to
3.
3.
3.
3.
Good.
3.
Q is equal to 3 because 2q is equal to positive 6, isn't it? Negative will
6.
become
3
positive or 0 plus
positive.
6. So 2q is equal to 6
Q is
and
equal to 6
q
by
is
2.
equal to how much?
6
6
by
by
2.
2.
6
6
by
6
2.
by 2.
Equal to 3. So we'll get q is equal to 3.
3.
3.
And
3.
next question was 2q plus 2q plus I think 2q plus 6 is equal to 12. Question. So 2q, how much? What is the answer you got?
3.
3.
3.
3.
3.
12 minus 6. 2q
6.
is equal to how
6
much?
divided by
6.
6.
Equal to
2
6
times
by
3
equal
equals
to
6.
3.
6 plus 6
2.
equals 12.
Divided by 2.
Equal to 3. Answer again. 3 itself. Isn't it? Okay.
Yes,
Now,
ma'am.
next question was this. 5x plus 12. 5x, no need to answer. I'll call one by one to answer. Is equal to 27. So tell me what is the answer. Hashir, tell me the answer. What is the answer you got? X is equal to
3.
3. 3, ma'am. 3.
x is equal to 3. So 12 we will take to right side. So 5x is equal to
27 minus 12.
27 minus
5
12
times 3 plus 12 equals
So
27.
15. 15.
15.
15.
by
15 by 5. 15 by
15
5.
by 5.
3. X is equal to 3 you will get.
3.
3.
3.
Yeah. Now, next one was 4m plus 12. 4m plus 12 is equal to 18.
8.
Okay, Gauri Priya, can you answer me? Hello, Gauri Priya.
Yes, ma'am.
Gauri
1.5.
Priya.
1.5.
Are you here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, tell me the answer.
1.5.
How much? 1.5.
1.5.
What did you say?
3 by
1.5?
I'm 3 by 2.
3 by
3
2.
by
Yeah,
2.
1.5.
3 by 2.
3 by 2. Let us check
3
how
by
it is
2.
done. I'll do it separately.
3 by 2.
3 by 2.
3 by
3 by 2 you will get. That is like this. 4m plus 12 is equal to 18. So 4m is equal
Minus
to
12.
Oh.
4m equals 18 minus 12.
18 minus
Can
12.
it be 4.5?
2, 6.
4m is equal to how much? It is
6.
6, isn't it?
6.
So m is equal to 6 by.
6 by 4. 6
Now
by
you have to cut short. Divide it by common factor.
2.
Yes, ma'am.
Isn't it? Reduce it. 6
3
3
by
by
2.
3 by 2. 3 by 2.
divided by 2, 3. 2, 4 divided by 2, 2. So answer
2.
is 3 by 2.
3
By
by
2.
2. 3 by
You will
2.
get, when you divide, you will get 1.5. No problem.
Yes,
It is
ma'am.
also correct. Answer is 3 by 2. Question? Next one is negative 2x plus 6. Negative 2x plus 6 is equal to 8. Okay. Wasim, answer this. Wasim. Wasim, answer it. What did you get?
Negative
What
1.
did you get as answer? Louder, I cannot hear you. Not done?
Ma'am, can I say?
Homework is
Ma'am.
not done. Okay.
Ma'am.
Tell me.
Ma'am, negative
Negative
1.
1.
Negative 1.
Yes, answer is negative 1.
Negative
So
1.
we'll take 6 to the right side, no? So 2x is equal to 8
8
minus
minus
6.
Minus
So negative 2x is equal to
2.
positive 2.
2.
8 minus 6, 2.
2 by
That's
2.
all.
2.
2.
So x is equal to
2.
2
2 by
divided
2
by
by
Negative 2.
2.
So
Negative
x is
2.
equal to how much?
X is equal to negative
Negative
1.
1.
And the negative
Negative
divided
1.
answer is 1. And put the sign negative. Negative 1. You have to follow the rules of division. What is the rule of division? When one positive and one negative comes, divide and put the sign negative. Isn't it?
Yes, ma'am.
When different signs come, put negative sign. When same sign come,
Positive sign.
positive sign.
Positive sign.
Okay, so always you have to follow the rules of integers also here. Okay. Next question. So listen, the homework is over, I think. I'll do with the classwork. Okay. Two more problems I'll give you to do like this. Then we can pass on to the next type of problems. 2x plus 3, write down 2x plus 3 is equal to 51, first problem. Second question is 16x plus 4 equals 164. Answer it, all of you.
Ma'am, can you say one first question one more time?
First question.
Can you say one more time?
No, I have written on the board. New question. Do it. 2x plus 3 equals 51. First question. 2x plus 3 equals 51. Then second one, 16x plus 4 equals 164. Find out the answer.
Can I say?
Are you getting?
I got the answer.
Okay, tell me.
The first one is
First answer is 24.
First one,
24.
24.
correct. Then second one,
Second one is
10.
10.
10. 10.
10.
10.
Ma'am, 10.
10. Good, correct. So first one is 24. You see this?
24.
2x is, so 3 we will take to that side. So 2x is equal to 51
51
minus
minus
3.
51
So
minus
what is 2x?
48.
2x is equal
48.
48.
x is equal to 48 divided
48
by
by
2.
2.
Answer is?
24.
24.
Answer is 24. Next one, 16x is equal to 4 we will take to this
164 minus 4.
minus 4.
Minus 4.
16x is equal to
160.
x is equal to
160 minus
160 divided by
16.
16.
X is equal to 10.
This is equal to 10.
10. 10.
Okay. Clear, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Nihan Salim, switch on the video. Wasim BR, switch on the video. I cannot see you now. Aidihya, why you are late? Aidihya?
Ma'am, I was waiting room.
Huh?
Waiting room.
I will call you today. Okay. Now, another type of problem. Listen here. Do this. 2y plus 5 by 2, 2y plus 5 by 2 equals 37 by 2. Okay, I'll do it once for you. Then remaining type of problems you can do. So which number we will take to the other side? This one.
5 by 2.
5 by
5
2.
by 2
5 by
to
2.
the other side. Okay. So it is
37
5 by 2 plus 5 by 2 will be
by
8 minus 2.
minus 5 by
5 is equal to 37 by 2 minus 5 by 2. You check the denominators, same denominators, no?
8.
So it is, that is like fraction. So you can subtract the numerators easily. So what will happen? 2y
32
by 37 minus 5 by
32
common
by
denominator 2. So you will get
32 by 2.
by 2. 2y is equal to 16. 32 by 2 is what? 16. So what is y? Y is equal to 8 by 2. Answer 8. Okay. Answer 8.
2.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Next question is
60.
Write down this. Today's homework, you will get this type of questions. Next one. A by 5 plus 3 equals 2. A by 5 plus 3 equals 2. Here, can you do it?
Yes.
Huh? Find out the answer. Hiba, switch on the video. Always I say switch on the video. Those who are switching off this video and all and sitting, those people have come down in the marks. Because you are not responding to my question.
Ma'am, I got the answer.
Ma'am, 5.
Ma'am, negative 5.
I'll know if your video is
Ma'am, negative 5.
Negative
Ma'am,
5.
Ma'am,
negative
negative
5.
5.
Yes. Answer is
Negative
Ma'am,
5.
is it
Negative
negative
5.
5?
Negative
Ma'am, is it
5.
negative?
negative 5. Very good. A by 5 plus 3 is equal to 2. So A by 5, we'll take that 3 to this side. So it will be 2 minus 3. So A by 5 is equal to 2 minus 3. So
Negative
negative
1.
1, isn't it?
Negative 1.
No, so A is equal to negative 1 into,
Negative 1 into 5.
into 5. Any doubts, children? Sneha, did you understand?
Yes,
ma'am. So A is what? A is equal to negative 1 into 5, negative 5.
Negative 5.
Negative 5.
Okay. Nihan, Salim, Ashwin, Basim, every time the video is switched off. I have to speak this to your parents because you are not physically present in the class. I don't get any idea about how much you have understood.
Ma'am, Nihan's video from first time onwards so fully.
Oh, I will speak to their parents. Next question. It is, so answer you got negative 5. Is it clear, children?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
5 by 2. 5 by 2x is equal to 24 by 25 by 4. Do it. Find out the answer. Do it yourself. Find out the answer. Karthik, are you doing the problem? You are simply sitting there. Take down, show me the notebook which you are writing. Then do the problem and find out the answer. I'll be asking you the answer. Find out this problem for you. Do it. Find out the answer. Which number you will take to the right side? Karthik? See, this one is 5 by 2 into x. So if you take this to the right side, what will happen? It will become
5 by 2.
divided by, isn't it?
Ma'am, 5 by 2.
Divided by 5 by 2 into x. So if I take 5 by 2 to the other side, then it will become divided by, isn't it? 5 by 2. So it will become
5
divided
by
by 5 by 2, isn't it? Multiplication, when it is taken to the other side, it will become division. I told you, isn't it?
Yes.
So what is the answer? X is equal to 25 by 4.
5.
What is the meaning of division? Multiply by the reciprocal. By 5.
2 by 5.
Now, better than multiplying and dividing, you do one thing. Take common factor and cancel. See this? Numerator and denominator. Common factor is 5.
5.
Yes, ma'am.
5 5s are 25.
5 by 2.
5.
5 by 2.
4 and 2. 4 and 2. Common factor is 2.
2.
2.
2 1
1.
plus 2
1.
Two.
2. 1. 2.
5
5 by 2.
5 by 2.
5 by 2.
My answer is x is equal to 5 by 2.
5 by 2.
X is equal to 5 by 2. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Karthik, did you understand? No?
Right, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Idea? Idea. Can you follow this class?
ma'am.
Idea? Are you able to understand?
No,
No, because you were not present in the previous class.
because network connection and I'm always in
Are you
waiting
seeing
room.
the video? You are watching the video?
I am looking for a class, but some
You should
class
be
I
up to
will
date.
get. Some
You
class
should
I
be
will
up to
get.
date. Otherwise, you won't understand anything in maths. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Try to enter on time and
I,
send it.
I am entering correct time, but I am always in waiting room.
Okay. So I cannot understand.
She is saying she will enter on correct time, but she will be in waiting room.
Not getting. Okay. Yes. Next problem. So did you understand this? Should I want to explain? You want me to explain again?
No, ma'am. Ma'am.
Okay. Next question. 7m, try this. 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. 7m plus 19 by 2 is equal to 13. Find out the answer. Enter with your name. Okay, not with the device name. I cannot understand. I won't enter you if you enter with the device name. Write the student's name and enter.
And somebody's name is Mad Boy.
No, that's what. Who's it? Who is it? I can't see the video also. Mad boy, something like that. See this. Who is this person? Anyway, no need to enter. I'm removing. You enter with student's name.
Ma'am, is the answer 1 by 2?
And no video also. If somebody else is entering, how come I know? So if you are entering, switch on the video, enter with your name and class. Otherwise,
Ma'am,
not.
is the answer 1 by 2?
Yeah, answer is 1 by 2. Very good. Answer is 1 by 2. Children, listen. If those who didn't get, you listen to what I am saying. Okay. So first, we will separate this one. Isn't it? We will separate this to this side. So 7m is equal to 13.
13
Minus 19
One
by
will
2.
become minus 19 by 2.
By 2.
Okay.
6
Here
by
come.
2.
We want to find the LCM here. This, you know how to solve this fraction, isn't it? Problem.
Yes, ma'am.
This we will take as 13 by 1. 13 by 1 minus 19 by 2. So what is the LCM here?
2.
2.
The LCM. So 7m is equal to this one we have to multiply with 2. So what it will become? 20.
26 by 2.
26 by 2.
2. You understand that step? LCM is 2. Okay. So what we have,
Can you explain once more time?
yeah, this is what I'm explaining, how you got this step. LCM is 2, no? That is
7 by 2.
LCM is 2. So multiply both by 2. Okay, both fraction by 2, you will get 26 by 2 on one side. The other one, this one, when you multiply, you will get 2 gets cancelled. So only 19, the next side, isn't it? 2 itself, so 19. So answer is 7m.
7 by 2.
7m is
7
equal
by
to 7 by 2.
2.
So m is equal to how much?
7 by 2
2
divided by 7.
divided by 7. So divided in or into 1 by 7. Divided
7,
by 7.
7 by 2 into 1 by 7.
So answer is that is because divide by
7
7.
by 14.
But
We can
see,
cut short it.
you can write if you have confusion, you can write it like this, then you can change. Or you write it like this. If you have a problem, you can write 7 by 2. This one, when you take to this side, it becomes divided by 7. Isn't it? 7 means 7 by 1. So answer is 7 by 2 means what? Divide by 7 by 1 means multiply by
Into
its reciprocal.
1 by 7.
So answer is 1 by 2.
1 by 2.
Answer is 1 by 2. Did you understand?
Ma'am, I didn't understood.
Yes. Any doubt?
Ma'am, I
You
didn't
want me
understood how
to
to do.
explain once more?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes. Okay, from the beginning. First, the question was this. 7m, listen, 7m plus 19 by 2 equals 30. Okay. So first what we have to do, we have to separate this to this side. So what it will become? 7m is equal to 13 minus 19 by 2. Clear? This step is clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now, here you can see we have to, this is 13 by 1. So it is not a like fraction, no? They are not like fractions, unlike fractions. So what we have to do, we have to find the LCM for dividing, for operating. So what we do, what is LCM here? 2. Okay. So what we do is LCM is 2, you know. LCM is 2. So 13 by 1 into 2 by 2 minus 19 by 2 into 2. Okay. Understood. So we have by 2. Now in this, what we do is 13 into 2, 26 by 2 minus, this is what, this 2 and 2 gets cancelled. So 19 by 2 will come. So answer is 26 minus 19 by 2. 7m, right, left side 7m. Is it clear now?
Yes, ma'am.
Now 7m is equal to 7 by 2. Now 26 minus 19, you will get 7. 7 by 2. Now what is m? M, 7 we have to take to this side, no? So what, 7 by 2 divided by 7. Divided by 7. 7 means 7 by 1 you write. So 7 by 2. What is division? Multiply by the reciprocal. That is called a division of fraction. You have studied, no? How to divide by a fraction by another fraction? Multiply by its reciprocal. So we have to do like this. 7, 7 cut off.
1 by 7.
1 by 2. Now is it clear?
Cut short.
Yes, ma'am.
All of you?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Write down these problems, important problems. Okay, I think one more period is there today, no?
Yes, ma'am.
One more period is there. So we will continue with the remaining problems in the next period. Okay. Now let me take the attendance of those who have entered late. So did you all understand how to do this, children?
Yes, ma'am.
Problems? Okay. So I hope all of you have understood this type of problem. How to do. Continuation we'll do in the next period. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
So let me check whether how many of you have entered late. This is 6, 7C. Adi Lakshmi is not present. Aidihya.
Ma'am, you are recording.
Late. Yeah, I'm recording. No problem. Dio is absent. Emmanuel. Emmanuel is present. No. Emmanuel entered?
No, ma'am.
No, absent. Now, Bobika RM, absent. Gautam Krishna, absent. I don't know why. Muhammad Hishan. Muhammad Hishan absent. Nazrin Fatima absent.
Yes, ma'am.
Nihan Salim. Video never on.
Ma'am, video not on.
Absent. Niva Sadish also, I will mark absent only. She's absent.
You were absent only.
Next is Nooral Haya. Absent.
Absent.
Next person is Parvati. There is this one. Okay, Shahaban. Shahaban. No.
Absent.
Just present Shreya. Wasim. What is here the problem with you, Wasim?
Video off.
Video, he never switch on his video. I'm not getting any feedback from you, so I'll put absent, okay? Okay, thank you, children. See you in the next class. Huh?
Thank you.
Thank you.
Ma'am.
Thank
Thank you, ma'am.
you, ma'am.
Thank you,